Imagine packing your bags, not for a week-long vacation to the beach, not for a cross-country drive. No, this is the ultimate road trip. You're packing for a journey across the entire known universe. You have an infinite supply of snacks. The perfect playlist is ready to go. The destination, the very edge of everything we can see. But before we even turn the key in our cosmic vehicle's ignition, we have to ask a fundamental question. Just how big is this road we're about to travel? It's a question that humbles even the most seasoned interstellar explorers among us, because the numbers involved are simply staggering, almost beyond human comprehension. Let's try to wrap our minds around the scale of it all. Our universe, the observable part of it at least, is about 93 billion light-years across. That number, 93 billion, is already huge. But what does light-year even mean? It sounds like a measure of time, but it's actually a measure of distance. It's the distance that a beam of light travels in one single Earth year. Think about that for a moment. Light is the fastest thing we know of in the entire cosmos. Nothing with mass can travel faster. So, a light year is an incredibly vast distance, a cosmic yardstick reserved for measuring the gaps between stars and galaxies. To put this cosmic yardstick into a more familiar context, consider our own solar system. It takes light about 8 minutes to travel from the Sun to the Earth. That's our star right next door. To get to the nearest star system beyond our own, Proxima Centauri, it would take a beam of light over 4 years. So, a journey of 4 light-years is already an immense undertaking. Now picture that distance and multiply it. Not by 10, not by 1,000, not even by 1,000,000. You have to multiply it by billions to even begin to grasp the sheer, unadulterated scale of the observable universe that we call home. All right, the moment of truth has arrived. We're in our special light-speed ship and we're ready to hit the cosmic gas pedal. Our destination is the far edge of the observable universe, some 46.5 billion light-years away in any direction. Since our ship travels at the speed of 1 light-year per year, the math is brutally straightforward. It would take us 46.5 billion years to reach the edge. To put that into perspective, our universe itself is only about 13.8 billion years old. So a one-way trip would take more than 3 times the current age of the entire cosmos. The universe wasn't even around long enough for you to have started the trip when it began. But what if we had to rely on the technology we actually have today? Let's take the Parker Solar Probe, one of humanity's fastest creations. At its top speed, it zips along at about 430,000 miles per hour. That sounds incredibly fast, and it is. At that speed, you could get from New York to Los Angeles in about 20 seconds. But space is a whole different ballgame. To cross the 93 billion light-year expanse of the universe at that speed, the journey would take approximately 145 billion years.